So I kind of thought of this jingle. I call it Hedgy's Calm Action Song. And I'm going to get into how to teach Hedgy's Guide to Calm after the challenge. But Hedgy's Calm Action Song, I created it so it could be like an earworm, which I know sounds kind of annoying, but basically it is something that you will remember. So even if you're stressed or mad or upset or anxious, excited, you will remember the song. You'll remember the jingle. So I kind of relate it to the alphabet song. I honestly only know the order of the alphabet because I learned the alphabet song when I was a child. And if you were to ask me what letter comes after a different letter, unless I can sing the whole song, I honestly can't tell you. So that's why again, being a music educator, I always turn everything into a song, but that's why I thought that this was really important. It's very catchy and it's very easy to remember. So once you know how to use your superpowers to becoming a super calm you, it'll just be so much easier for you to share this with your students and your children at home. And when you can just start singing it, and it only takes, a few seconds, a few minutes throughout the day. And then you always have the tools and skills and you'll have them for your entire life. It is so beneficial. I have used this so much for so many years, but focusing on it over the last 2.5 years during COVID, it has been such a blessing. And Hedgy just makes it a little bit more fun. So remember to stop, look, listen, wiggle and breathe and visualize. Have fun being calm.